Okay, so here are this is the new suspension that I got for the car. These are 2008 Forester struts with Swift springs. I don't know, I found them on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm pretty sure it might raise the car a little bit, it could lower it. We're gonna find out. So these should be a lot better than the WRX struts that were on there before. So here we go. Is that a marijuana?
90% of your video is just going to be us arguing in the background.
That's the point of B-roll. Yeah.
Look at that.
Range of view.
We can't get this bolt unstuck.
I don't know what that was.
I don't know either.
Let's keep going.
Yep.
Pete, stop.
Pete, stop.
All right, so we're about 3.5 hours in. We have 3 done except for that far side, and it's honestly been a pain, but we're almost finished. So pray for us. Get it
Slowly.
slowly.
Sink.
You know, I'm kind of digging it.
Yeah. That dropped a lot more than I thought it would. I thought it was going to ride a lot higher than that.
It's probably still gotta settle, so it might go down some more, but I kind of like it. I mean, it kind of looks the same as before.
Oh my. That's soft.
All right, we just finished. I can't tell difference yet, but we're gonna go out, take a test drive, and see how it feels. It was a pain in 3/4 to get everything on, but we're gonna go try it out now. All right, so it's been a couple days since we did the suspension install, so the suspension has finally totally settled in. I figured I'd just give a quick update. So the biggest reason I did this suspension change is because there's been an awful noise in the back of the car that I thought was the suspension. I mean, it still probably is the suspension, and it's still there, but I'm going to be getting an alignment and they're going to check it out for me. But it also changed the stance of the car just a little bit. It's pretty hard to tell, but it's maybe an inch or two higher than it was before, and I think I personally like it like this more. I do like a lowered Forester. I think they look great. But as a daily driver, having it a little bit higher, just like, I'm pretty sure it's like, so I say it's an inch or two higher than it was before, but with these springs, I think they're an inch or two lower than the stock springs were on the 08 Forester struts. So I think it's a happy medium. It looks really good. There's maybe a little gap in the tire and the wheel well, but you know what, that's fine with me. I know this has been a quick little video, but that entire process of us changing out the suspension took us the majority of a day. None of us had ever done it. Oh my goodness. None of us had ever done it before. So we were new to it. We were trying to figure it out as we went. But once we got the hang of it, it started to go over pretty quickly. My plan with this car is just to fix all the previous owner's issues that he created, or she, I don't know who it is. But so we're almost there. The suspension was the biggest thing. And once we get this noise figured out in the back, I think we'll be golden and we'll be able to start actually doing modifications that don't pertain to everyday comfort and ride quality. We'll be able to start adding some things to it that make it look better. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Here's just a quick little update on the Forester, and I'll see you guys in the next video.